Oh shit, they're on the bridge. Back on the big screen. Back on the big screen now. Oh yeah, my man. Pick me up. He got killed.
We are losing objective Anton. Alert, we have lost objective Anton. Attention, we have lost this sector. Modify your positions in the sector.
All over me, Babylon, that's all over me.
We got everything, shit. Okay.
Defend the sector at all costs. The enemies has been reduced to half.
Fucking hell. Where did that gunfire come from? Headshot, bitch. Shit, another one on the right. I'm alright. Reload quick, pussy.
Ja, das ist gefährlich.
Where you go, Darius? Fuck, it's coming up on me. Ah!
Looking at you.
We are losing objective data.
You just is starting for attention, aren't you? What's this? Okay, let me see. Kill this guy on top of the railroad tracks.
On the top of the fucking railroad, yeah, there's 5 people on that one.
Feindlicher Soldat dort.
There's another one up there. Right. Oh shit.
Checking far from the left.
Careful, Joel.
Sanitäter!
I got you. What the fuck, I can't revive you? What the fuck? Come on. Second. Oh, there you go. Man, second time this shit happened, I can't revive people. Oh shit, left.
Don't worry about it. I know, that's what I was talking about. That should be a patch.
Yeah, I can't revive people. The second time it's happened to me.
They have reached the final objective.
What? Okay. Yeah, make it bigger.
Aufpassen! Granate kommt!
Yeah, your mom will fuck your ass. You fuck up the step. He's right on the edge. I can't go any further.
Yeah, I got one hard, bitch. Building came down on your ass. On the right flank. You guys right up on me, This motherfucker. God damn, this bitch almost killed me. that you,
all
bitch.
outside the building and in the ground.
How can you blow that shit? Damn, this weed is strong like a motherfucker. Fucking hell. What the fuck? Kill him with a frag grenade.
Our ranks are thin. We can finish this.
On the left side here, man. Watch out left, we got a truck. Sniper right there. I think. Yeah.
Yep, that's a good idea. I'm not gonna argue with you.
We are losing objective.
Damn, same bitch I'm looking at.
Shut up. I'm not gonna repeat what you just said, but I said pudding place. Yeah. See? Hey, be quiet. Hey, don't try to use me to get in trouble, man. You get in trouble on your own. Play up.
I'm playing. Put this bitch right here. Fucking hell, come on, man. The two guys right by my body.
Wir brauchen Sanitäter!
Always.
Sanitäter!
Ooh, 3 of 3. Damn. Yeah, this weapon took a long ass time. Yeah, you do.
I only done one round.
You gotta do the objectives, like 8, 10 objectives within, let's see, where the fuck am I at? Alright, I'm at
I'm at 1. I just played 1 round. I need 2 more rounds of breakthrough.
okay, look, all I need is the shit. That's locked. Yeah, it's a headgear. I guess it's the shit because it says epic headgear. Well, I know the last 3 rewards are characters. You get this dude, he has a fucking gas man. He's like a fucking, looks like a colonel or some shit. German colonel. And then you get this chick.
Every objective within a sector must be secured. Then move on to the next sector.
Sniper on the mountain. Holy shit. Bitch ass. That man's 44.
Fucking dying here, medic!
Objective breaker is ours.
They got right behind that stone over there.
Don't like the looks of that.
Whoa.
Guys on trouble, there!
Behind us. He's dead.
I'm smothered, help me!
Damn, Scotsman blood out. Damn, if I hang on a bit, that guy could have picked me up. Oh shit, they're everywhere coming up, they're coming up, they're coming up. Left side, left side, left side. On the right.
Let's just figure out. Hold on, don't. Once it's over.
Jeez. Sniper. Got hits, got hits. Oh shit, oh my god, oh! Woo! Don't even pick me up, dude. Don't even pick me up, don't.
Please, I need help!
Yeah, man, there's a lot of motherfuckers around, dude.
Look alive, danger over there! Watch out, over there!
Fucking hell. Man, just hit the shit out of me. Man on the left side. Man on the left side, dude. They're hitting from heavy side, man.
Don't like the looks of that.
Can I hit this bitch with the RPG from here? Oh shit, you down?
Reloading! With you soon!
Look at that guy over there on the hill. dead. And I'm low on ammo too. I'm low on goddamn ammo. Everywhere on us. They're behind us again. Hey, shit, hey, shit, look at them fuckers behind us. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Come on. Dude, look to the other objective across. Look to the other objective across the map. There's so many guys over there. God damn. I need a sniper rifle. Your mic is cracking up, dude. The mic is cracking up.
We are losing objective breaker.
Your mic is cracking up. We got guys here with us on Bravo, right in front of us. Fuck!
Good job. The sector is now
God damn.
clear the sector of enemies.
Sandbags. Oh, there it is. I took a grenade. God damn, I took a grenade, but nothing. I need somebody to pick me up. No medic around.
Your orders are to attack the next sector.
There's a tank. Oh, we got a motherfucking tank. Move. And there's a guy in the valley. Guys in the valley. Left side tank. There's a LMG.
Got trouble on this position.
No LMG over there. There's a machine gun across. Yeah, this sniper rifle kind of sucked, to be honest. Get inside, taking fire from that left. God damn it, what the fuck? Oh, there's a man right here, there's a guy right here. Oh, one piat in my face, dude. And to get a different sniper rifle. I'll try a different one. I'll just use a shotgun. I don't really use a shotgun, but I use a shotgun. I'll try the shotgun out. Let's go. Yeah. I have to go close in, man. You the one got to do the raid. Oh shit, come on, fucking hell. Hey, there's a sniper in the tower, man. See the tower outside of the objective there? In the middle of the hangar. Dude, look at Alpha. Alpha is crazy. I have to go LMG. I just MG4. I'll just use this one, take it to a level 10 if I can use that. Then the left side of us. All over Alpha they are, man. See them snipers still on top of the tower, man. Yeah, sniper left side. Oh shit, bitch hit me in my head. Hit my goddamn helmet. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, but somebody's on the left looking over here, man. He hit me. Way across over there too, man.
Guys on trouble there. There, ammunition.
Right down right here. Checking out. The doorway. Watch that doorway. Watch that doorway across. I see markers there. This is the guy. There's a guy. Shit. Damn, this bitch just jumped out on me and took me down like that. God damn. Motherfucker. He just took me down like that, like he got commander and shit. Oh shit. Battlefield 4 layout. I'm just chuck a grenade accidentally. Oh, I see you guys by that.
Danger! Over there!
There is. Aim to right. Push in, man, push in. Didn't see when just like, oh shit! Oh, damn it, man. Fuck it, man. Let's try this one. I will not use this one much, so let's try this. A lot of weapons I've not used.
Our soldiers are falling. Remain vigilant.
I know we are falling, man. They're locking up inside that big house over there, man. Which guy? There's a guy from up in the fucking tower. Oh shit, don't go up there. He is. Yeah, I know.
Enemy bloody shots right there.
There's two of them. There's two of them up there. There's two of them up there. Watch out left, watch out left. Got you, motherfucker. Got a hit on you, you got a hit on me too. Shit, we're gonna be dread. Come on, pop it out again. Pop it out. Right, yeah, nice hit. Somebody took his ass down. The guy right by the barrier. Did you say hammer? Thank you. Oh shit, outside on the back. He's dead. Medic.
Over there!
I know.
Blood
Yeah.
everywhere. Fucking help me.
Who's dead? Man, screaming like a bitch. Up top, up top, up top. I'll try to pick you up.
Care for you.
Shit, I'm getting hit. connection. We got a guy pushing up on the right side. We got a hit on him. Finish him, finish him, finish him. One more bullet.
Oh, got me.
There you go. One of you pick me up now. Loads of you can pick me up. Yeah, I hit him once for 74. You better watch that right side flank. Look at them down there. I see two guys moving inside left side. There's one right there, there's one right there.
There! Looks like trouble!
Can't even see. Pure smoke. In this doorway.
Spy trouble there!
Oh, back of the building. Shit, shit, shit. Pure smoke down there. Can't even see nothing, bro.
Few in numbers.
We got a tank coming out.
Eyes up! Over there!
We got a tank. Bitch is shooting right at me. Sniper. Guy in the corner, guy in the corner. Other spawned in. Other spawned in. I can't spawn on you. I can't spawn on you. Go right here, go right here. Oh shit, I forgot that sniper class. Shit, go right here. That fucking guy laying down on the back. What did I do? Need one more game. Said play 3 rounds, one more round of breakthrough there. You better focus. Hey, this your mic. Sound better now. Alright, go ahead and LMG. Oh, which way?
Soldiers, we must defend the objectives.
I'm looking the wrong goddamn way. It's already here.
Look, there.
Damn.
They done me. I need a medic.
Oh, what's the medic too?
I'm fucking dying here. Medic.
And killed me and the medic that was reviving me. Man, snipe with someone there too. Hey, behind us, behind us, behind us! I have to reload. The guy in the bus, guy in the bus, guy in the bus, fucking bus, fuck! Oh my god. Got you back, motherfucker. Thank you for that revive. There's a guy right behind this bus too. Oh shit, in the building, in the building! Hey, on the bridge right here! Across, across! Oh, he got me.
We are losing objective Able.
Danger. Over there.
Left side, left side.
Alert, we have lost objective Able. The enemy has control of this sector. Retreat.
On the left side, down low. There's loads on there. Fuck. Fuck. I can't check out my dick. I'm over. What the fuck? Jesus Christ. Right on top of the bridge. Oh, some shit, man. Gunfire is coming from all over. Bitch, got one. They're pushing down, man, on the left. Back alleyway. Shit coming from the front. Come pop it up. Shit. Shit. Damn. Hey guys are close, guys are close. On the right side. On the right side, guys.
Alert! We are losing objective Able.
Chucking a bomb!
This bitch.
Blood! Everywhere!
If you look at the server, for me, if you look at the right side of the server, it's all markers, like spinning circles and shit.
There's ammunition!
Soldiers, we have lost objective Able.
Oh shit, friendly. I'm shooting a fucking friendly. Down back door, back door, back door. Back fence right here. Come on, man.
More ammo! Quick!
Jesus, man. Yeah. Man, go step on and bust my head. Those coming in. the bridge. Right in my head. They're right beneath us, huh? Oh fuck, I fell down the stairs.
Half of the enemy forces are gone.
I need something fully auto if I'm gonna run that class. Which, let me use this shit here. They've been all flanked. Oh, yeah, open this roof. Got one.
Cracking good shot. Got your attention. We're losing objective Baker.
Thank you.
Full of beans now. Good work. Objective Able taken.
Have this grenade!
Shit.
That's dangerous.
Got one. So there's somebody upstairs, so nice for me.
The enemy are taking objective Able. Don't lose ground.
Man, this house right here.
Explosive set! Watch it!
Oh shit. Come on. We got a guy around this corner. This corner around here. He's dead. Come on, I got hitched in the fucking barbed wires. Guy across the river. Don't even go nowhere.
The ranks are thin. We can finish this.
There's a train waiting for us up there, boy.
Charges set. Look lively.
Oh, there's... Oh. Bad boy, I catch you too.
That's a grenade.
Got across the river. Whoa, shit, look at that, look at that! Triple kill! One shot, triple kill! Holy shit! Dude, I made one shot at RPG and I got 3 people. Shit, right across the river too. Right across the goddamn river. I wish I had it on a video. Oh, I'm live streaming, I can't save the video for it. Oh my god. I think it's 7 kills the RPG in one run, with the explosive in one run. I just got 3 guys and I think I did 3 before I need one more. No, nothing. Shit. Yes! Got one more. That must be completed. Must be completed. Must be completed. Come on, pick me up somebody. One ticket, pick me up somebody. Dude, I just triple shot a guy. Man, that's awesome. Aim that shit and fired 1, 2, 3. Ping, ping, ping. Assignments. Okay, that's completed. Okay, what map is this one? Which weapon should I use?